Station 44, Station 40, Zone 30, mutual aid response for airplane crash.
So we got 2 houses involved in the crash. I can't get no close enough to the scene to make any assessment of it right now.
Released 911 broadcasted by transmission of a chaotic scene in a neighborhood already suffering damage from Hurricane Sally. A Navy trainer crashes into a home, instantly sending flames and smoke into the air. Neighbors rush out of their homes after hearing the crash, scrambling to make sure the homeowners have made it out.
And we only have 1 house involved in fire. TF4 aircraft is totally destroyed. 2 vehicles involved, 2 vehicles on fire.
We had no injuries to any of the residents here. This is a heavily populated residential neighborhood off of County Road 55 here in the Foley area.
Multiple agencies also rushed to the scene.
Yes, we requested all the resources we could from the area because we really didn't know what we would be dealing with until we got here.
Tonight, Navy officials and the FAA are trying to figure out exactly what caused this crash, killing the crew on board the plane.